Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B0028 indicates a problem with the right side airbag inflator in the Honda Accord 2023. This diagnostic trouble code is triggered when the airbag system sensor detects an abnormal decrease in resistance in the inflator circuit. This may imply that there is an issue with the airbag's ability to deploy correctly in a collision. The SRS, or Supplemental Restraint System, is crucial for passenger safety as it deploys airbags in the event of a crash. Understanding how this system works and where various components are located helps technicians diagnose and address the issue effectively. Components affected include the front passenger side airbag and the SRS unit, which are vital for ensuring the airbag system operates correctly. This troubleshooting guide will provide a systematic approach to identifying and rectifying the underlying issue associated with DTC B0028-1A. DTC B0028 points to an abnormality detected within the front passenger side airbag inflator circuit. The front passenger side airbag is located in the dashboard on the right side of the vehicle, specifically designed to deploy in a collision. Its role is to provide crucial safety for the passenger in case of an accident. The SRS unit, or Supplemental Restraint System unit, is the control center responsible for monitoring various airbag statuses. It is typically located underneath the dashboard as well, and processes input from different sensors to determine if an airbag should deploy. This error code arises when voltage levels on the detection line are lower than specified. This malfunction could indicate either a faulty airbag inflator, a problem with the SRS unit, or an issue in the electrical circuit connecting these components. Proper diagnosis requires a thorough inspection of these affected components. There are several potential causes for DTC B0028-1A. Firstly, a failure of the airbag inflator itself could cause decreased resistance, making it unable to deploy properly during a collision. Secondly, a malfunction in the SRS unit can also trigger this error code. The SRS unit's function is to accurately monitor and manage the airbag system, and any fault here could result in failure to detect the proper conditions for airbag deployment. Lastly, shorted wiring in the electrical circuit connecting the airbag and the SRS unit can lead to voltage drop issues, which may also contribute to the DTC being set. Each of these causes requires individual inspection and testing to confirm the root of the problem and ensuring all necessary replacements are made to restore the system's integrity. When DTC B0028-1A is present, it is likely that some symptoms will manifest. The most immediate and noticeable symptom is the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard, indicating that there is an issue with the airbag system. Additionally, there may be a significant decrease in passenger safety features, as the front passenger's airbag may not deploy correctly. If a vehicle is involved in a collision during this period, the potential for serious injury increases without properly functioning airbags. The diagnostic system may also register this error code alongside others, reflecting underlying issues in the SRS system. It's essential for vehicle owners to address these issues quickly to ensure the safety of all vehicle occupants. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0028-1A involves performing a confirmation procedure. Begin with turning the vehicle key to the on position without starting the engine. This action allows the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to run its initial checks and identify any existing error codes. It is important to wait for a full 10 seconds after turning the key to ensure that the system completes its diagnostic process effectively. Ideally, if the DTC B0028-1A does not display during this procedure, it indicates that the airbag inflator might have an intermittent connection issue or that the fault is transient in nature. If the DTC still appears, further investigation into the front passenger side airbag and related components is necessary. The second troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the front passenger side airbag directly. Begin by accessing the Airbag Inflator connector and ensure that it is disconnected before proceeding. Visually inspect the airbag for signs of damage, wear, or improper installation. This step is crucial, as any physical issues with the airbag can lead to a failure to deploy properly in an accident. Furthermore, check the circuit conditions associated with the inflator and ensure there are no cuts, abrasions, or corrosion on the wiring that could affect conductivity. Following this thorough inspection helps confirm whether the airbag itself is the cause of the DTC B0028-1A, or if other related components are contributing to the issue. In this step of troubleshooting DTC B0028-1A, attention shifts to the SRS unit connections, which are crucial for the overall function of the airbag system. Ensure that the SRS unit connector is appropriately disconnected before starting the inspection process. After confirming disconnection, examine the connection points for any signs of corrosion, wear, or damage that could affect the performance of the system. Wiring integrity is especially important, as any shorting or breakage in the circuits can lead to abnormal voltage readings. It's advisable to use a multimeter to test the continuity of the wiring to ensure that the SRS unit can accurately relay information about the airbag status. Proper functioning of the SRS unit is paramount to maintaining a safe and effective airbag system. After all necessary repairs have been completed regarding DTC B0028-1A, it's critical to verify that the repairs were effective. Begin this verification process by clearing the DTC from the vehicle's system using a diagnostic tool. Following this, run the vehicle through a series of tests to ensure that the codes do not return. It is also beneficial to perform a road test to check the functionality of the airbag system both while driving and stationary. Observing the airbag warning light during and after the road test is crucial in confirming that the airbag system is functioning correctly and that the issue has been resolved. This final verification ensures that both the technician and the vehicle owner can have peace of mind knowing that the airbag system is now operating as intended. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the airbag system in the Honda Accord. Regular inspections of the front passenger side airbag should be conducted to ensure that there are no visible damages or wear that could impair the airbag's functionality. Additionally, it is essential to confirm that all SRS connections are secure and free from corrosion, as loose or dirty connections can lead to malfunction. Ensuring the health of the vehicle's battery is also important, as a weak battery could cause fluctuating voltage levels that may impact the airbag system. By conducting these maintenance checks regularly, vehicle owners can significantly reduce the risk of encountering trouble codes such as DTC B0028-1A in the future. In conclusion, understanding DTC B0028-1A and its implications is crucial for maintaining the safety of the Honda Accord. This code revolves around a potential issue with the right side airbag inflator, which is integral for passenger safety during a collision. The SRS system's functionality must remain intact. Any abnormalities detected need to be addressed promptly to avoid reduced safety features. It is essential for technicians to follow the outlined troubleshooting steps meticulously to pinpoint the cause of the problem effectively. Timely resolution of these issues not only assures the safety of the vehicle's occupants, but also restores full operational capabilities of the airbag system, preventing future occurrences of similar DTC codes. Remember that airbag systems are designed to save lives. Keeping them functional is of paramount importance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.